I heard you in a song. Now I know that this will never go wrong. Like you already knew me, that's why we get along. Yeah, I know that this will never go. Ooh, it's cinematic in the way we connected. Girl, you're so familiar, I never expected you to be right in my arms. And my favorite part, how you talk in the dark. Oh God, there's something about the sound of you is stuck in my head. I'm hopelessly romanticizing all that you said. Even though I see that I'm in too deep, I still gotta let you know that I never wanted anyone more. Falling forwards onto the floor. Feels like I felt this feeling before. I've seen you in a movie, I heard you in a song. Now I know that this will never go wrong. Like you already knew me, that's why we get along. Yeah, I know that this will never go wrong. I've seen you in a movie, I heard you in a song. Now I know that this will never go wrong. Like you already knew me, that's why we get along. Yeah, I know that this will never go wrong.
I can feel the love in your heart. I can see it in the way that you smile. I can feel the love in your heart. I can see it in the way that you smile. Feel the love in your heart. The way that you smile. Feel the love in your heart. The way that you smile.
이용 같은 거 남기지 말라고. 나도 정말 지치고 힘들지만 뭐지? 십상문 보고 종키면 좀 예고만 맞으면 뭐래. 틀리더라도.
You led me on with no mind for the end. Now I feel stupid and have to act and pretend like it didn't matter to me, like you were basically nothing. So you go on with your nightly parties. You couldn't even think to invite me. You can't say you didn't see this coming. Got some inspiration right again. You claim that there was a bright side, but this wasn't exactly what I had in mind. So when you hear this and realize you're the news, remember it's only two. I'd hope to learn how to write happy songs someday.
Midnight and city lights on the other side. You're calling me up at the same time. I'm in the daylight. You're calling to say hi, but your words they cry. If there's something that you need to say, I know it ain't easy living inside your brain for sure. You keep telling me that it's all okay, but I know, yeah, your silence speaks so. seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought